In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke on one side in design. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to create clean, precise visual effects without adding a full border around your elements. We'll be using a clever workaround with the drop shadow effect, which gives us excellent control over the placement and appearance of our one-sided stroke. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Effects section in your design software. This is typically found within the Properties panel or inspector for the object you have selected. Once you're there, you'll see various effect options. We are going to specifically choose Drop Shadow and add it to your element. Now you might be thinking, drop shadow? But I want a stroke. And that's exactly the trick. We're going to manipulate the drop shadow settings to make it appear as a sharp, defined line on just one side of your chosen shape or object. This method offers flexibility that a standard stroke setting might not provide, especially when you need precise control over its position. Now that you've added the drop shadow effect, it's time to refine its properties to achieve our desired one-sided stroke. You'll typically find controls for Position X, Position Y, Blur, and Color for the drop shadow. First, let's focus on Position X and Position Y. These values determine how far the shadow is offset from your object both horizontally and vertically. To create a clean one-sided stroke, you'll need to set one of these values to 0 and the other to a specific numerical value. For example, if you want a stroke on the right side, you would set Position X to a positive value like 2 or 4 pixels, and Position Y to 0. If you wanted it on the left, Position X would be a negative value. Similarly, for a top stroke, Position Y would be a negative value, and for a bottom stroke, Position Y would be a positive value, always keeping the other position value at 0. This ensures the shadow moves directly in one direction. The next crucial step is to adjust the blur setting. By default, drop shadows often have a soft, blurry edge. To create a crisp stroke, you must set the blur value to 0. This will transform the soft shadow into a sharp, defined line. Finally, change the color of your drop shadow to black, or any color you prefer for your stroke. By setting the blur to 0 and choosing a solid color, you effectively convert your drop shadow into a solid, single-sided stroke. You can easily adjust the thickness of your stroke by changing the numerical value for your X or Y position. Experiment with different values to get the exact look you need. And there you have it, a perfect one-sided stroke using the drop shadow effect. This technique is incredibly versatile and allows for precise control over your designs. I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your design toolkit.